This is the Itel Smartwatch Fit O20, and our full review is coming out exclusively on YouTube tomorrow, Saturday. But because you're viewing us here, consider this to be a kind of trailer for you, because how can you give IP68 rating to a smartphone that is about $15? This is IP68, and we did put it to test. You want to know the result? Whew. My heart was panting when I was putting it into the water, into the sink, and then putting it into water. I'm no valor review. I would have just, went to swimming with it or dipped it in. But yes, I also placed it under the shower for over 30 seconds. And the water was pouring and pouring and pouring, and my heart was beating because that's just after 2 days of using it. I wanted to still review it. What if this device dies? But what? It survived. It survived almost 1 minute of heavy water splash. So yes, I think it can survive rainfall, all kinds of sweat, and little dipping into water. But I'm going to leave that for Valor Review to do his thing. But what else? I was kind of impressed. This is the watch in my hand here, and I was so impressed with the Bluetooth calling. I'm going to show you that I make calls with this. It's connected to the iPhone 16 Pro with the Bluetooth, and I just make call with it. And the speaker is actually loud enough for you to hear what the person is saying, and the microphone quality, sweet. Now, take a look at the sample of the recording. I recorded a call from this on iPhone 16 Pro.
Let me try and record from my own end. Maybe later I can check the quality of.
In our review, we tested everything, all the features, everything. We tested it, and one of the most interesting things here is the brightness of this watch. I mean, it's kind of impressive. This is even below the half brightness if I show you the setting, but it's very, very sharp, bright screen. I did pitch it against the iPhone 16 Pro and the Red Magic on the direct sunlight, and you can see that it did stood its ground, and you could see everything on the watch clearly on the direct sunshine. And what about the sports? Yes, one of the so many sports features on this, and I did the walking test. Of course, I did the Apple Health on the iPhone 16 Pro and the Google Fit on the Red Magic 10 Pro, and I paired it against this watch in the review, and I took step, for it to be accurate. I actually counted the step myself. I mean, I counted over 730 steps, and who did you think that accurately got the steps that I counted? Well, these are the things you're going to see in the review. For less than $15, that's roughly 20,000 naira, you could get a smartwatch that does all that. Bluetooth calling, can do all the exercise, and can have this IP68 water and dust resistant. Wow. Well, I'm not going to leak everything here. This is just a trailer and a spoiler. The full video is coming out review tomorrow, exclusive on our YouTube channel. So go to youtube.com/smartdepot.tech. Make sure you subscribe so that nobody will tell you what the Itel Smartwatch Fit O20 is all about and what it's capable of doing. And make sure you follow me here for more interesting tech tips. Till I see you in the next one.